Hi, my name is Hina and today I have this portable mini dishwasher. So I have loaded it with all these dirty dishes. So can it clean it all? Well, let's find out. First off, the installation of this dishwasher was incredibly simple. I just needed to attach this pipe so that the dirty water can drain into the sink. And that's all. To use it, you simply fill the water tank. The dishwasher comes with this pitcher and you need to pour around 3 pitcherfuls of water into it. The machine will beep when the tank is full. I have selected the normal mode, which shows a cleaning time of 2 hours and 10 minutes. Alright, let's start it. While we wait, let's talk about some features. This dishwasher offers 6 program modes, including modes like steam, fruit, and glass, covering all your needs from heavy cleaning to just refreshing your dishes. It also features a high-temperature hygiene wash cycle that reaches up to 192 degrees Fahrenheit, powerful enough to tackle heavily salted dishes and good enough for cleaning milk bottles for infants. Its compact design makes it ideal for small spaces. Whether you're in a studio apartment, an RV, or simply need to save space, this dishwasher fits perfectly without compromising functionality. Okay, the cleaning is done. Let's check the results. As you can see, everything is spotlessly clean. It even handled the toughest stains effortlessly. This appliance can easily manage the daily dish load for up to 2 people without any issues. So this comfy portable mini dishwasher is more than just a space saver. It's a robust appliance that offers convenience, efficiency, and powerful cleaning capabilities. If you're looking for a dishwasher that fits a smaller lifestyle but doesn't skimp on performance, this might just be the one for you. Okay, bye.